Local news for Wednesday the 7th of March. TV personalities Jono and Ben are in town today. They'll be at the Kitapuni Sports Bar and TAB for an hour tonight with their new brosé. It was the hottest summer on record across New Zealand. In Wairarapa, Masterton was 3.2 degrees above normal. On the 30th of January, Masterton recorded a temperature of 35.4 degrees, which was the highest temperature observed in the North Island during January, and Masterton's highest recorded temperature since records began in 1906. International tourists continue to contribute strongly to spending growth, making up 10% of the extra total spending growth through Paymark figures in the last 4 months, and over 50% of growth amongst accommodation merchants. Wairarapa had an annual percentage change of 9.7%, with transaction values at $43.3 million for the month of February. And in sport, registrations are open for this year's Mountain Duathlon, beginning at Cleveland at the showgrounds. It takes place on the 15th of April, and entry forms and information can be found on the Wairarapa Multisport Club website.